everyone, I'm back. And you know what this means? I have another piece of furniture that I'm gonna show you guys, and I'm excited about this one. I know I've said it before, but this one is actually my favorite one. It's such a good one. I love it, love it, love it. I love it. Anyways, so this project actually started from a Behr paint competition that began about a week ago. So we still haven't found the results of that. But because I entered and did this competition, I am super duper excited. I learned so much about what I like, what I want to do, and within a month, July 22nd, in Houston, the Heights area at West End Coffee House, I will be a part of a pop-up, my very first pop-up. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna be in it. And so if you're in the Houston area, check us out, go there, say hi, buy something, I don't know. And the reason why I'm saying this is because even if we don't win, we have another piece of furniture that we can just add to our collection. So first things first, let's talk about this piece of furniture that I had. I actually found this piece of furniture in my husband's old neighborhood. Someone was throwing it out, and like any normal person, I said, I want this trash. There's potential. So once I had my piece of furniture, I did the very first thing, sanded it down, see what I'm working with. Is it damaged? Is it wood? Is it composite? What? I looked at my dresser and I thought, you know what? You know what's in right now and what I love are like accent tables, like small, skinny, long accent tables, something that you can put in your foyer, in your entryway, and it looks really cute and chic. And so I thought, let's cut off the bottom drawers. So I cut off those bottom drawers. All I have to do was cut the base of the structure that held those drawers, and it popped right off, and automatically immediate height. It looked better. I felt more inspired by it, and I was like, yes, like already looking awesome. So from here, I saw my 4 drawers and I thought, okay, I need to add something. And if you watch our videos, you already know I love my vertical lines. So I decided to do them with the 2 top drawers. I took out my table saw and then started to cut right into it. And it was a little tricky, you guys, because this dresser set was rounded on the front. So I had to hold it at like different angles. I mean, you can't really see it in the video, but I was like, what do you call it? I was like tightening my core. That's how you know I don't work out. Anyways, so from there, just painting. So I went to Home Depot, chose my color, Havana Coffee. The color came out great. This is where things got exciting, trying to put this onto the canvas. So my first step was, okay, let's think of it as if it was walnut and you need some dark and light. So let me get like a black. So I had black Limousine leather, and I decided, let me put those pops of black and see how it comes out. And I was thinking, it's not kind of coming out the way that I hoped. So I then went in with the same brown that I had, the Havana Coffee, to try to kind of mellow out those harsh strokes. And I was like, wow, this is actually working out. Like, it's actually looking very beautiful. Like, I didn't expect it to come out the way that it did. Putting those 2 colors together and mixing the 2, I was like, oh, I just love it. Look at how it came out. Beautiful. Oh, I love how the designs came out, the mixing of the 2 colors, the vertical lines that I cut into it, the fact that I took those bottom drawers out and gave it some height. Oh, I love it, love it, love it so much. I hope I win this challenge, but to each his own. I don't know who is judging, and I don't know what style they like, but I know that I love it. So whether or not I win, I truly did win in my book. I love this piece. I hope you guys love it. It's just, I'm just pumped. I'm excited now. Watch more Earth and Tone. Bye.
2 weeks ago, we kicked off to DIY4 with our first challenge. Now it's time to reveal our top 3 DIYers. In third place, we have the handy wife who flipped a vintage dresser. In second place, we have painting by the penny who went with an old chair. And in first place, and the winner of $5,000 is earthandtoneco. They blew the judges away with their entryway console. Congratulations to our first top 3 who will be headed to the finale.
Oh my gosh, I got an email from Behr today. It's official. I won! I was Behr's Challenge 1 winner. With that came the cash prize and a spot in the finale. I'm super excited, super honored, because I, along with 8 other DIYers, are gonna go head to head. Follow me to see this whole journey. It's gonna be exciting, it's gonna be fun, there's gonna be laughter, maybe even crying, I don't know, but this is gonna be awesome.